What's up guys, Tribit here, and today I got a great Bluetooth speaker to show you, and this is the Tribit Xboom. Now this has great reviews on Amazon because this does have 360 surround sound, does have Bluetooth 4.2 which gives you a lot of key features including Alexa connectivity, and it does have the dual pairing ability to make it two speakers connected to one system. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing, we're going to take a look at the specs, we're going to put it in the water, we're going to put it to the test and see how it performs, and also stay tuned because I will be giving away a Tribit X Sound Go. This is another great Bluetooth speaker made by Tribit, and stick around till the end of the video for the giveaway details. So big shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. If you guys are new, I do a lot of unboxing, product reviews, tech reviews, of course, streaming devices, streaming services, different ways to cut the cable cord and save you money. So smash that subscribe button, please. And also this year, I will be doing a lot more tech reviews, a lot more giveaways. So make sure your notifications checked and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, before we jump into the unboxing and test of the Xboom, let's go ahead and take a look at the specifications of the Tribit X Sound. So the X Sound, this is the one that I'll be giving away a little bit later. It does have two 6-watt speakers. Frequencies range from 85 to 20 kilohertz. Our battery is a 3.7 volt, 4400 milliamp per hour battery. So that will give you up to 24 hours of playtime. Of course, this will be different based on how loud you're playing the system. The charging time for this is 4 hours at 5 volts and 1 amp. Dimensions 56 by 59 by 170 millimeters. So it's pretty tiny. And the weight is 380 kilograms. Of course, this is also waterproof, and one lucky subscriber will be winning this device. So here's the Xboom, guys, and this is basically the upgraded version of the X Sound, and this one packs more of a punch. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the specifications on the back. So Bluetooth 4.2, so it gives you a lot more flexibility, including pairing with your Amazon devices. We'll be testing that a little bit later as well. As far as the drivers or the speakers inside the device, it does have two 45 millimeter drivers with two passive radiators. If you guys don't know what a passive radiator is, it's basically the vent on the side of the speakers that actually moves once the speaker is in use, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit later. Now the signal to noise ratio is 80 decibels. We'll be testing that as well. The frequency is 70 to 20 kilohertz. The battery is a 3.7 volt, 52 milliamp per hour battery, and this will give you playback up to 20 hours. And charge time for this is 4 hours at 5 volts, 2 amps. The input is DC 5 volt, 2 amp to charge it, of course. And the weight of this is a little bit over a pound. It's a 19.2 ounces. So this is fully waterproof, so it has a rating of IPX7, and basically that gives you up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. So you can go ahead and submerge this, and can't wait to test it out. I do have my fishbowl out. We'll be dropping this in the water just to see if it can stand up to it. A couple other things to look at. It boasts that it does have exclusive X bass technology, so we're going to test it out, see how much bass we're getting. The Bluetooth range is up to 66 feet, so that will give you enough distance from device to device. So let's go ahead and we're going to see what's in the box. We're going to power it up, we're going to test it out, we're also going to drop it in the water. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Here's my little friend. So it says, welcome to be Tribit super user. Okay, nice presentation there. Leave us a review on any channel. We'll return the favor by donating $1 to United States Fund of UNICEF charity. Do have a user's manual here. Recommend go ahead and reading it. It does have different Bluetooth modes. Look like it comes in multiple languages as well. Okay, thank you for your purchase. Email information, website. They'll respond within 24 hours. They do have a 30-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month replacement warranty. Pretty cool. All right, so everything out of the box. So they do have a charging cable, and this is a micro USB. Here's the speaker itself. Let's go ahead and pull it out. And this actually feels pretty sturdy, guys. It does have a mesh right here, but it's hard to explain. This mesh is actually padded. There's one of the passive radiators on the top, one on the bottom as well. So on the front of the device, do have the volume up. This is the MFB button right here. They do have the volume up as well. And it's hard to explain what it feels like. It looks like a mesh, but it actually isn't. It is fabric-like, and it does have a soft touch to it. Feels pretty good. On the back, we do have our power button. We do have our battery indicator right here. We do have our Bluetooth connection. Do have our X-base button, guys. So that should give the boom right there. All clickable. All right. Do have our plug-in. So this is the charge. This is for your auxiliary. Let's see if we can rip that off. And guys, this is in there really tight, so make sure you reseal this. Make sure you take the time to make sure this is sealed properly, or else this will probably jeopardize the waterproofing capabilities of this speaker. So looks pretty good, feels premium, guys, and so far I'm impressed with it. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, so there it is, flashing. You can see it does have the battery indicator right there. And let's go ahead and we're going to get it connected and see what it sounds like. Let's go ahead and play one of my recent videos just to see what the voice and spoken words are like. Obviously, I can't play any copywritten content, guys, so let's go ahead and play one of my videos. We're going to check out what it sounds like. So, Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Hopefully enjoying your family, hopefully having a good time, and hopefully you got everything that you wanted this Christmas. Today, of course, I'm announcing the winner of the 3 devices, the Amazon Fire TV Stick. This is the 4K edition, as well as the Mi Box S, and also the NVIDIA Shield TV. So I'm not going to keep you guys long. I'm going to try to make this video extremely short. Just want to announce the winners. So let's go ahead and jump into the raffle, and good luck to everyone. For this giveaway, you needed to do a couple things. First of all, you need to make sure you subscribe to the channel. Secondly, you need to make sure your notification bell is hit. Third and fourth, you need to make sure you hit the thumbs up on the video, drop a comment in the video as well, and also you needed to share this video on social media. Going through the comment, big shout out to Alicia Gregg, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Pastor Robinson, ARD, big shout out to Tim Windsor. You have Deborah R in the comment section, Mike L. So far so good. This thing is super loud. I did do the 360 spin, didn't see any changes in the volume level, so the 360 sound seems to be on point as well. 2 other things I wanted to do. I wanted to go ahead and hook it up to Alexa just to make sure that it's working properly with that. Also, I wanted to test it in the water. So let's go ahead and jump into the Alexa setup first. So the setup is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is go into your Alexa app. You're gonna go to Echo Devices. You're gonna pick the device that you have. So let's go ahead and pick my Echo Dot. We're gonna go to Bluetooth devices. We're gonna pair a new device, and it will start searching. So here's the Tribit Xboom. Click on that.
Connected to Tribit Xboom. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my speaker.
And there we go. All set up, guys. Ready to start playing some stuff from Amazon. So, Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Currently, in Claremont it's 66 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Tonight, you can expect cloudy skies moving in and out, with a low of 64 degrees.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Actually, my friend Jimmy Fallon wants to tell a joke. Let's give him a shot.
What did the horse say to the scarecrow? Hey!
So what do you think? Should I let Jimmy tell the jokes for a while?
No, that was terrible.
No problem. I'll keep you laughing, but if you do want to hear one of his jokes, just say, "Tell me a Jimmy Fallon joke."
And that's how easy it is to pair this to your Amazon device. So know you guys have been waiting for this. We're going to go ahead and we're going to play some music. We are going to put it in the water. We're going to leave it fully submerged, and we just want to see if it works after that. Really nervous about this, but let's go ahead and test it out. We're going to go ahead and play something first, but wanted to see what it sounds like, if we can hear anything while it's in the water. Also see how it's going to hold up. So let's go ahead and we're going to play my giveaway video again. All right, so we have some volume. Let me turn it up a little bit. The winner of the 3 devices, the Amazon Fire TV stick. This is the 4K edition as well. All right, guys, the S. Here goes nothing. The NVIDIA Shield TV. So I'm not going to keep you guys long. I'm going to try to make this video extremely short. Just want to announce the winners. So let's go ahead and jump into the raffle, and good luck everyone. So turn all the way up. You can hear it still going. If you look right there, you can see it pulsating in the water. The giveaway, you needed to do a couple things. First of all, you need to make sure you subscribe to the channel. Secondly, you need to make sure your notification bell is hit. Third and fourth, you need to make sure you hit the thumbs up on the video. Drop a comment in the video as well. And also, you needed to share this video on social media. Going through the comments, big shout out to Alicia. So where would this come in handy? If you're at the pool, you drop this in the water, you won't lose your device. Greg, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Pastor Robinson, ARD. Big shout out to Tim Windsor. We have Deborah R in the comment section. Mike L. We also have Samantha Lance in the comment section. So just scroll through, you can see a lot of people entered for this giveaway, guys. And I wish I could give every single one of you guys a shield, but unfortunately I can't. So once again, guys, all of these devices can be found in my Amazon storefront. I'll put a link in the description as well. So I am going to go ahead and let it dry off a little bit, test it again just to make sure it works properly. But this speaker is impressive so far, guys. Sound is incredible. For a speaker of this size, it sounds amazing. Really impressive. For the price, you cannot beat it. I will be putting links in the description where you can pick it up. This, I can't think of any negatives to say about this. Big shout out to Tribit again for sponsoring this video. Like I said, check the description. I will be putting links where you can pick it up. Also, I will be putting links in the description. Guys, this speaker is amazing. So for the giveaway for the X Sound, you need to do these 3 things. 1, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is checked. 2, go to this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, drop a comment in the comment section below saying, hey, I'm entering for my chance to win this giveaway. 3, I am going to put a link to the Tribit Facebook page in the description of this video. Go to their Facebook page, hit the thumbs up on that page. They're the ones sponsoring this video. Today is December 27th, and I will be picking a winner on New Year's Day. So you have until New Year's Day to fulfill these requirements. So good luck to everyone. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, hit a thumbs down, but please drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you didn't like about this video. That way I can take that into consideration when making new content. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.